I have here a 15-foot surge protector power strip. I'm going to go ahead and open this up so I can have a closer look at it, show some of the details and features about it. So we got some cable management and mounting hardware. Here is the surge protector, along with some more management and mounting hardware and some instructions. So you can see on the top of this, there's 3 AC outlets with some on-off toggle switches. These have the ground plug as well. And if you go down here to the bottom, there's 3 more, but these ones do not have the ground plug on these 3. They're just the dual plug style. And then on this other side, there's 2 USB and 1 USB-C. And then right here, this is a little circuit breaker if it gets overloaded with too much power. So this does have a 15-foot long cord, which is really nice. And if you look, you can see this cord is a flat braided style as well. So it's going to be designed for cable management to keep it out of the way. And then it's a super flat style plug that is offset at an angle. So it's going to plug into the standard wall plug like this, and then that's going to come off to the side. That's going to make it so that you can put it in either the top or the bottom receptacle without interfering with whatever is in the other half of the receptacle. So if you decide you want to hang this on a wall or put it on a desk or something like that, you have a couple of different options for mounting. Option number 1 is you can put some screws into the wall, and then the screws can slip into these 2 holes, and then it can slip down and hold in place that way. Option number 2 is to use the included pieces that they give you here. This is going to be somewhat similar. So you've got this one that's going to mount to the wall or desk, and it does have some holes so you can screw it. But they also include some double-sided adhesive tape that you can put on to this side, and then you do the same thing to this side. But this one goes on this, like this, so you'd put that one there, you'd put this one on the wall, and then they just slide together like this, and then it will just hang that way. So the other nice thing they give you is some cable organizers. There's a whole bag of them here, and then they also include the 2-sided tape strips that are going to attach to each one of these. And you can see how these work. If I grab this cable here, you can take and you put it like this, and then you twist the cable into place, and this is going to be stuck to the wall or the desk or whatever you're actually putting it on. And if you need to, you can also take it back off by twisting the cable back out of it. So right now I've got a lamp plugged into this, so I can show you how this switch works. I've got the lamp on, I've got the switch on. I'm just going to turn the switch off and back on so you can see that it does turn this outlet off and back on. So you can see it works just fine. So now I moved the lamp to this bottom receptacle, and this switch controls both this one and the bottom one in this row right here. So it's going to do the same thing plugged into that one, just like that. So now I've got my phone plugged into this USB cord, and I'm just going to plug this in right here, and you can see it immediately starts charging my phone. Just keep in mind that if this stops working for whatever reason, it could be this built-in overload protection right here, and you will just have to reset this. And that makes it really nice that if something happens, you don't have to go reset the breaker. You can just reset this surge protector right here. So this 15-foot surge protector power strip is really nice. I like the fact that it's got a flat plug that's offset at an angle, along with a flat cord, so it's going to be very low profile, as well as the fact that you've got independent switches that you can control the 3 different plugs on top along with the 3 on bottom that line up the same, as well as different ways you can mount it and some cable management and USB. This is a great item to have. It has lots of features as well as lots of functionality, so I'd recommend this to anybody that needs to have a nice high quality surge protector in their house.